Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder campus tour. Today we're headed to Nevada, Missouri to the campus of Cottey College. Cottey College is a private women's college in Nevada, Missouri that was founded in 1884 by Virginia Alice Cottey. She believed that women deserved the same quality of education as men. Cottey College was originally a 2-year liberal arts college, but in 2011 it achieved accreditation as a 4-year baccalaureate granting college. The first building that we're seeing here is Main Hall, also known as just Main for short. It's one of the oldest buildings on campus and constructed in 1884 and is part of the original college. It's also one of the most historically significant buildings on the Cottey College campus. This building features impressive Victorian architecture with really elegant brickwork, decorative trim, and a prominent clock tower. Main Hall has served a variety of functions within the college community over the years. It originally was, again, the main college administration building, as well as classroom building when the college originally was founded back in 1884. Today, it serves as administrative offices, classrooms, lecture halls, and meeting spaces. Cottey College is a non-sectarian college owned and supported by the PEO Sisterhood, a philanthropic women's organization based in Des Moines, Iowa. The PEO Sisterhood is dedicated to providing educational opportunities for women, and Cottey College is the only college in the United States that is owned and supported by a women's organization. Cottey College is a small college with an enrollment of just about 300 students. This allows the college to provide a personalized and supportive educational experience for all the students who attend. It's also known for its strong sense of community, and students develop close bonds with each other and with their professors. We're now coming up to the Judy and Glenn Rogers Fine Arts Building. This is a more modern building here on campus that was named in honor of Judy and Glenn Rogers, who significantly supported the college to make the state-of-the-art facility possible. This building is primarily designed to house various fine arts programs, including visual arts, music, and theater, and it provides a dedicated space for students to explore and develop their artistic talents. PEO Hall was built in 1939, and it was the first building erected after college was accepted as a gift by the PEO Sisterhood. Inside are 10 suites and houses about 105 students. The Haiti and Alan Wild Center for the Arts at Cottey College is a state-of-the-art facility that houses the college's visual and performing arts programs. The center was completed in 2008 and was named in honor of Haiti and Alan Wild, two Cottey College alumni who were generous donations to the center. Inside is a 500-seat auditorium, a recital hall, a dance studio, an art gallery, various media labs and recording labs, as well as practice room suites. Robertson Hall is Cottey's largest residence hall and has 14 suites, which house about 150 students. In the lower level of Robertson Hall is Rainey Dining Room. This hall is the dining facility for all residential students on campus. Built in 1959, the residence hall is named after Elizabeth Robertson, and the dining room is named after Bessie Rainey. This is the Cottey College Chapel. It's definitely one of the most significant buildings that you'll find here on campus. It was constructed in 1956. The main chapel seats 480 students, and there is also a small side chapel and a parlor inside the building. The chapel houses the Dysart Memorial organ, a 21-rank Hammer Reuter organ, and the Neil Farrell Stevenson grand piano. Inside are various other offices, as well as a snack bar and a store. Cottey College doubled its residential student population when Reeves Hall was built in 1949. This hall has 10 suites, also holds about 105 students, and was named after Winona Evan Reeves. Hinkhouse Center is a multi-purpose athletic and student life center here on the campus of Cottey College. It was built in 1971 and named after Eureka and Paul Hinkhouse, two Cottey College alumni who were generous donors to the center. The center features a number of spaces for students to participate in athletics, recreation, as well as social activities. Inside's a gymnasium, a swimming pool, fitness center, sports lounge, a snack bar, classroom spaces, faculty and coaching offices, and much more. Hinkhouse Center is home of the Cottey Comets, the college athletic team. We're now coming up to and entering the Center for Women's Leadership here at Cottey College. This is a unique and innovative program that is dedicated to developing the next generation of women leaders in the United States. The center was founded in 2014 and is the only center of its kind at a private women's college in the United States. The center offers various programs and services, including leadership development workshops and seminars, mentoring and coaching, internships, networking opportunities, and much more. Ahead of us is the Vanek Family Memorial Softball Field that was constructed in 2012 with a generous gift from Dorothy Vanek. This field is home to the Comet softball team and is where all their home games are played. The Ruby Burton Academic Center holds various classrooms for different disciplines across the campus. It's one of the larger academic centers here on Cottey College. The central place for academic research is the Blanche Skiff Ross Memorial Library. This library was constructed in 1963. It houses over 50,000 books covering the breadth of the arts and sciences at the undergraduate level, including the Women's Study Collection, the Juvenile Collection, and the Popular Reading Collection. There are various conference rooms, study rooms, meeting rooms, as well as just places for college students to study, and private areas and computers to help everybody get through their academic day. I hope you've enjoyed this campus tour of Cottey College here in Nevada, Missouri. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Take care now. Bye-bye.